Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Disney Plus crashing the second you tap the icon or closing itself before your watch list even loads? Here's the fix. First, swipe up and force close the Disney Plus completely from your recent apps. Now, go to your settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage, and check your free space. Disney Plus stores a large cache of downloads and temporary files and it crashes on launch when there isn't enough room to load properly. Free up room by offloading a few unused apps if storage is tight. If storage looks fine and it's still crashing, then press and hold on the Disney app icon, then tap remove app, delete app, then tap delete to fully uninstall it. After removing it, go to the App Store, search for Disney Plus, and get the app, reinstall it completely fresh. Your account and watchlist are saved to your profile, not your device, so reinstalling won't lose anything. After reinstalling, go back to your settings, then go back and go to software update. After that, make sure to install any pending iOS update, and that's it. So, all you've got to do is check storage, delete and reinstall fresh from App Store, update iOS, Disney Plus opens without crashing, and that's it. Subscribe for more Disney Plus fixes.